Hello kids, good morning. Dear students, today we will know about seasons and weather. First I will tell you thought of the day. Thought of the day is education is a powerful weapon we can use to change the world. I am again repeating it. Education is a weapon we can use to change the world. Now let us read about weather and season. It is from your book, page number 52 and 53 from EVS book. Now I will tell you what is weather. Each day is different from the other. Some days are hot and dry. इसका मतलब है कि हर दिन हमारा एक दूसरे से अलग होता है. कुछ दिन हमारे हॉट होते हैं और ड्राई भी होते हैं. सम आर वेट एंड स्टिकी. सम डेज आर वेट. वेट मतलब हमें जब पसीना आता है, हम थोड़ी ह्यूमिडिटी होती है ना, स्टिकी हमें चिपचिपाहट होती है, तो हम कहते हैं सम डेज आर वेट एंड स्टिकी. सम डेज आर कोल्ड वाइल सम डेज आर द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. कुछ दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब ठंड होती है, लेकिन कुछ दिन उनमें से बहुत अच्छे भी होते हैं. When it is neither too hot nor too cold, it feels just nice to be outside, and we say that the weather is so pleasant today. The condition of a day tells us about the weather. We will know about weather more from pictures. Dear students, first I will tell you about seasons also. There are 5 periods in a year when the weather is of a particular type. These periods are called season. You can see here different season. First I am showing you summer season. Summer season होता है गर्मी, जब बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी होती है. Then the days are generally hot during summer. जब दिन बहुत गर्म होते हैं, then we like to eat ice cream. We like to drink cold drink. See here 2 children, they are eating ice cream. This is a summer season. Next is rainy season. In rainy season, see there is a rain. Girl is enjoying with umbrella in rain. You can see frogs here. See here is frog also, and children, they are wearing gumshoes and they are wearing raincoat. Rainy or monsoon season both are same. Monsoons or the rainy season has wet and rainy days. Dear students, now I will tell you about winter season. This is a winter. विंटर सीजन में देखो क्या होता है, बहुत ठंड होती है. अब कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है? लुक एट मैम. देखो मैम ने भी कोट पहना हुआ है ना. मैम इज वियरिंग कोट बिकॉज इन दीज डेज वी आर फीलिंग वेरी cold. And students, you can see here the here family is sitting. They all are wearing caps, muffled. This man, he is having scarf. And you can see here, this is snowman. You can see snowman during winter season. Now we can read here, there is very little sunshine on cold days. In some places, the ground is covered with white snow and it feels like living inside a refrigerator. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बाहर ही फ्रिज है और हमें फ्रिज जैसी कूल फीलिंग आती है. We use heaters and fireplaces to heat up our homes and geysers to heat up the water. We take bath in warm water. We like to drink hot drinks and wear woolen clothes. When we go outside, we cover ourselves as much as possible with gloves, caps and scarves. See here, now here is the autumn season. In autumn season, it comes before winter. Autumn comes just before winter when it is neither too hot nor too cold. Dry leaves fall off during autumn. Dear students, Now here is spring season. You can see here spring season. Spring season comes just before summer. ये क्या होता है, जब गर्मी आती है उसके पहले ये समर सीजन स्प्रिंग सीजन आता है. स्प्रिंग सीजन अभी आने वाला है. When it is neither too cold nor too hot, जब ज्यादा ठंड भी नहीं होती और गर्मी भी नहीं होती. At that time new flowers bloom during spring. नए नए फूल आते हैं. New flowers bloom during spring season. Children, now here are dresses. You can see which dresses we wear in summer season. T-shirt, cap, shorts, sunglasses, bermudas. See this girl, she is in summer dress. Here you can see winter dresses. We wear gloves, boots, scarf, socks, jacket, cap. In winter season we wear these dresses. Now here is rainy season. These dresses we use in rainy season. Raincoat, gumboots, umbrella, raincoat with hood. See this girl, she is having umbrella in hand and enjoying rainy season. Now I will show you more pictures from model. Look at this models, dear students. Here you can see summer season. In summer season, you like ice cream. See, this girl is enjoying ice cream. And you can see here that everybody is going in car during summer season. Sun is here. It gives heat during summer. Okay? We use table fan during summer. Now, you see here spring season. This is spring season. In spring season, flowers bloom here and there. You can see here flowers. Different types of flowers are here. Greenery is also here. This is spring season. Now, next is winter season. During winter season, you can see snow. In some places, there is snow. See here, this is snow. And you can see here snowman. This is snowman. And now you can see here, see this is green tree. You can see this is a Christmas tree. Dear students, this man, he is wearing woolen clothes. This man is wearing woolen clothes. Next is rainy season. See rainy season. Wow. See, you can see rain from the clouds. Students are enjoying in rain with umbrella. You can see frog. You can see here. This is a, what is this? You see, this is a snail. You can see this is a snail. And dear students, now you can watch during these days winter season is going on. Dear students, you will watch this video, and after this watching this video, you will write which dresses you wear in these days. Now I will show you page number from your book. Let us see. Let us read from book page number 52. Weather. We are going to identify weather. Mickey and Donald enjoy sunny weather. Let's learn more about weather. See, this is a sunny weather. Sun is here. You can see hot sun here, and this is a sunny day. And this is a cloudy day. You can see here clouds. And this is a windy day. Wind is blowing very fast. And this is rainy day. Mickey is enjoying with Umbrella in rain. This is a rainy day. Dear students, now on page number 53, let us read. Mickey and Minnie enjoy the weather with Donald's nephews. In picture, you can see Mickey and Minnie. They are enjoying with their nephews. Now you have to draw and color a picture to show the weather you like. Dear students, you can draw here picture of the weather which you like most. Bye bye children. It is enough for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.